Stop that whistling. Fix your toilet in number time.
Hello everyone. We're here today to tackle a rather unusual, yet commonly experienced problem, a whistling toilet. That's right, if your toilet has been serenading you with a whistle every time you flush it, rest assured, it's not a new feature. Today we'll walk through the steps on how to stop your toilet from whistling when you flush it. So, let's dive right in.
Why does my toilet whistle when I flush?
First things first, let's understand why your toilet might be whistling. This typically occurs when there's an issue with the fill valve in your toilet tank. The fill valve is responsible for refilling your toilet tank after each flush. If it gets blocked or constricted, it can cause a whistling sound as water rushes past the obstruction.
What tools do I need?
Before we start, let's gather all the tools you'll need. A new fill valve, a bucket, a towel, and a wrench should be sufficient for this task.
How to stop the whistling?
Now onto the solution. Here are the steps. 1. Turn off the water supply to your toilet. There's usually a valve on the wall or floor near the base of the toilet. 2. Flush the toilet to drain as much water as possible from the tank. 3. Use the towel to mop up any remaining water in the tank. 4. Using the wrench, remove the old fill valve. It's usually located on the left side of the tank. 5. Install the new fill valve according to the instructions on the package. Each model may have slightly different steps, but typically, it should fit into the same hole as the old one, and you can secure it with the provided nut. 6. Once the new fill valve is installed, turn the water supply back on and let the tank fill up. 7. Finally, give your toilet a test flush. If everything was done correctly, your toilet should no longer whistle. And that's it. You've successfully silenced your melodious toilet. The process may seem a bit daunting, but with the right tools and a bit of time, it's certainly a task that you can handle on your own. Remember, it's important to fix this issue promptly to avoid any potential damage to your plumbing system. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for tuning in. Until next time, happy D'ing!